Hello children, I am Anjali, your EVS teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Children, in this video we are going to learn our 7th lesson. So what is our 7th lesson name? We need a house. So our 7th lesson name is We Need a House. So let us start. So in the first page we can see lesson number 7, we need a house. So after studying this lesson, we can recognize the need for a house and understand the need for living together. And we can understand the different portions of a house. And we can recognize the different types of waste, garbage produced at home and know the correct way of disposing them. And we can identify the situations around house using words, phrases like behind, in front of, left and right. Okay. Then where do you live? Where we all live, children? In a house. Yes, name the members of your family. You should name the members of your family. And do you have any domestic animal in your house, children? Okay. Yes. So where do they live? Yes, in your home you are telling domestic animals are there. Then where do they live, children? In your home only, isn't it? Yes. So we need a house to live. And animals also need a house to live. Yes or no, children? Yes, animals also need a house to live. Then why do we need house? We need house because house protects us from cold, wind, rain and heat, and from dangerous animals and thieves, etc. So we need house to live, isn't it? Yes. So in the next page, match the animals with their dwelling places by drawing lines. So we have to match. So children, in the first page we came to know we all need house. So even animals too need house, isn't it? Yes. Why animals are also need house, children? Yes, animals also need house to protect themselves and their babies from other animals and cold, wind, rain, sun, etc. So here children, in this page you can see some animals are there, and in the right side their houses are there. So we have to match the animals with their house. So first picture, a rat is there, rat with hole, lion with den, bird with nest, cow with shed, and snake with burrow, a bill or hole, we can say. So these are the animals and their houses. Okay, these are the names of animals' houses. So we all need house to protect ourselves from cold, wind, rain and the sun, isn't it? Yes. So animals too need house to protect themselves and their babies from other animals and cold, wind, rain, sun, etc. Yes, no? Yes, even we need and animals also need house to live. In the next page, so you can see the one picture, children, here. Okay. And who are the persons living in the house given in the above picture? So in that picture, who are the persons? So that persons are father, mother, grandmother, grandfather, sisters and brother. And even one dog also is there, isn't it? Yes. What are they doing? What they are doing, children? Father is watering the plant, mother plucking the flower, grandmother combing hairs, grandfather sitting outside, sister and brother both are playing with dog, isn't it? Yes. What work do you do at home? And like this, what you will do at your home, children? Yes. So you will also do different types of work. So mention the different types of work done by different members of your house. You can also discuss, children, and different types of work done by different members of your house. Okay. And usually the members of a family live together in a house, and every member of the family shares the work at home. So usually, so all the family members live together in a house. So this is a very happy family. So because every member of the family can share the work at home. So you can see in the picture, all they are doing different types of work. They are sharing their works. They share their works, isn't it? Yes, members of the family, they can help each other. If you live together, means you can help each other. You can get your grandmother, grandfather blessings, isn't it? You can learn good qualities. So you can learn good qualities and coordination, and you will get happiness, and you can share the work, and you can help each other, isn't it, children? So live together in a house is a, you can get from that happiness. You'll get the happiness. Okay. Yes, members of the family help each other. There is a happiness in living together. So you can get happiness from living together in a house. Okay. Yes, in the next page, here is a picture of a house. Write the names of the portions of the house that you know in the space provided. So you can see the house picture. So usually if you see any house, means we can see many rooms and garden, backyard, so many things, isn't it? So like a living room, bedroom, kitchen, dining room. The right side you can see the picture, children. So different types of rooms, it may be garden, backyard, roof, etc., isn't it? So here we should write four things name of the house. So I will write kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom. So if your choice things you can write here. Okay. And down, how many doors does your house have? How many windows does your house have? Name the different parts of your house. So you should observe your house, and you have to write the number of doors, number of windows, and number of different parts of your houses in the box, children. Okay. Yes. So in the next page, one story is there. What is that? You have to answer these words by words through this picture. Okay, in between they have given picture instead of word. Okay, we should read carefully. Arun got up in the morning and went to the bathroom to wash his hand. Okay, so bathroom picture is there. We have to read like bathroom. So according to the rooms, we have to add the word. Okay. Yes. Legs and face. Later, mother called him to the kitchen. Isn't it? Kitchen, and gave him milk to drink. In the kitchen, father was assisting mother in the cooking. In the living room, Arun's brother was watching the television. His sister was reading in the study room. Grandmother was sleeping in the bedroom. Isn't it, children? Yes. So got up early morning. When you got up, where you will go to wash your hands, legs and face? Yes, bathroom. So where your mother will give milk, breakfast and all? Kitchen. And where you will watch the TV and all? Living room. And where you will study? In the study room. And where you are going to sleep? To the bedroom. Okay. So write the answers in the box given. Where do you sit for study in your house? In which room of the house do you sleep? In which room do you have food in your house? What do you call the room where you sit and chat with your family members in your house? Where do you wash your hands, legs and face? You should write in this box. Okay, in which room you should do all these works, you should write in the box. Okay, in the next page, there will be separate rooms in some houses. Some houses will have a big hall. The different rooms are used for different works. So in hall house, we can see many types of room, children, in many different parts also. So like kitchen, bedroom, hall means living room, and what roof, etc., isn't it? Yes. So here this is a Peter house. You can see the Peter house. Peter is standing at the door. What is there in front of, behind, left and right of Peter's house? Identify and write them in the space provided. So in the first sentence, there is a garden in front of the house, isn't it, children? In front of house, what is there? In front of the Peter's house, there is garden. We can write garden. So there is a tree on the left side of the house. So left side of the Peter's house, what is there? Tree. And there is a mountains behind the house. So behind, backside, mountains behind the house. And there is a house on the right side of the house. One more house is there, right side of the Peter's house. So what you can learn from this picture, children? And in front of the, what is there in front of the house, and left side of the house, and behind the house, and right side of the house, you can learn from this picture, isn't it? Yes. So like that, so observe around your house and write the answers in the space provided below. There is a dash in front of your house. There is a dash on the left side the house. There is a dash behind your house, and there is a dash on the right side your house. So even you have to observe and write. So in the next picture, this is Rama and Ravi's house. Identify the waste. So what Rama is doing? Put the peels of vegetables, fruits, flowers, leaves and greens into a dustbin. What she is doing? She is cleaning. Okay. She is collecting peels of vegetables, fruits, flowers and all, and she is what? She is collecting and she is putting into dustbin. Okay. Yes. And in the next, Ravi, what he is doing? Put all the dry waste like paper, pieces, plastic, chocolate covers, etc. into another dustbin. So it means, children, what we should do? We have to what collect the garbage, means waste. What in a we have to separate and we have to collect like wet waste and dry waste. Wet waste means it may be peels of vegetables, fruits, flowers, leaves, etc. So dry waste means it may paper piece, plastic, chocolate covers, etc. So we have to separate the wet waste and dry waste, and we have to keep a separate dustbin, and we have to put the garbage or waste in the dustbin. Okay. Yes. Where is Rama putting the vegetable waste, children? So she kept one separate dustbin. So in that Rama is putting the vegetable waste. Where is Ravi is putting plastic and paper waste? So he kept outside one big dustbin. So he is what putting the plastic and paper waste in that. Name the waste you find in your house, and what do you do with waste in your house? So you should observe and you should say. Okay. And in the next page, do this. Put all the peels of fresh vegetables and fruits into dustbin. Prepare manure and put into the plants. So what we can do, children? We can collect the peels of fresh vegetables and fruits into dustbin, and we can manure, means we can prepare fertilizer for our plants or trees, and we can use it. What? Wet waste. Whatever we can collect peels of vegetables, fruits, no, we can collect in a dustbin and we can make it manure, and we can put it to our plants. Okay. So keep our house neat and clean. Don't throw the waste on the street. Is it good habit or bad habit, children? This is bad habit. What? Throwing the waste or garbage on the road, isn't it? Yes. So what we should do? We should keep our house neat and clean. We should not throw the waste on the street or road. We should collect and we should put it in the dustbin. Okay. Yes. And in the last picture, give dried waste to the person who collects waste things. So every day the persons will come to collect the waste things, isn't it? So for them only we should give the what garbage, whatever we will collect in the dustbin, we should give them, the person who collects the waste things. We should not throw on the road or street. Okay. And we should not throw here or there nearby our house, wherever. We should give the persons who collects the waste things. Okay. Yes. So in the next picture, here is the picture of a house. If you want to live in this house, What changes will you make? Write the changes in the space given below. So children, here one house picture is there. So if you want this house to live, you can make changes in the house how you like. Okay, so you should write those changes in this blank space. So in this, for example, so see some outside that compound wall, that stick wall is something it has broken, so you can change it, isn't it? So like this, whatever changes you will do, no, you can write in the blank space. Okay, yes. So in the next page, join the dots and color it with the color of your choice. So first you should join the dot and make it color. And prepare a house using mud, thermocol, cardboard, etc. Show different rooms of the house. Okay, children? Yes. And one song is there. Sing and enjoy. Home sweet home, where colorful flowers bloom. Home sweet home, beautiful and cool is my home. Wonderful and clean too. Home sweet home. You can also sing and enjoy, children. Okay, yes. I hope you understood this lesson, children. We need a house. Now the time for homework. First you should read the lesson and do the working pages and paste the pictures of house and its parts in the classwork. Okay, if you got any doubts, you can ask me in the group, children. Okay, yes. Thank you.